Today we are going to learn about mastering virtual team meetings effectively. You will gain skills in planning, executing, and following up on virtual meetings to enhance team collaboration and productivity.
In today's remote work environment, the ability to conduct efficient virtual meetings is more crucial than ever. Welcome to our video on mastering virtual team meetings effectively. Over the next 15 minutes, we'll explore strategies to help you plan, execute, and follow up on virtual meetings for optimal team collaboration and productivity. From setting clear agendas to evaluating meeting effectiveness, you'll acquire the essential skills needed to become a virtual meeting pro. Let's dive in and enhance your virtual meeting skills together. The foundation of any successful meeting, virtual or otherwise, is a well-defined agenda. Before your meeting, take the time to clearly outline the purpose of the meeting. What do you aim to achieve? Is it a brainstorming session, a status update, or a decision-making forum? Clearly defining the purpose helps in setting the right tone and direction. Next, outline the key topics to be covered. This not only aids in keeping the discussion on track but also ensures that important issues are not overlooked. Setting specific, measurable goals for the meeting is equally important. Whether it's reaching a consensus on a new project or finalizing next quarter's goals, having clear objectives will guide the discussion towards tangible outcomes. Share the agenda with participants well in advance. This allows everyone to prepare and come to the meeting with their thoughts organized. It also ensures that all participants are aligned with the meeting objectives, reducing misunderstandings and enhancing productivity. Remember, a clear agenda is your roadmap to a successful meeting.
With a multitude of digital tools available, choosing the right one can seem daunting. Start by identifying your team's specific needs. Do you require a platform that supports video conferencing, file sharing, or project management? Understanding these needs will guide your choice. Evaluate the features of various tools. Look for platforms that offer robust audio and video quality, screen sharing capabilities, and easy integration with other software your team uses. Consider the ease of use. A tool that's intuitive and user-friendly will reduce the learning curve and increase adoption rates among team members. Reliability is another crucial factor. Choose a platform known for its stability and minimal downtime to avoid disruptions during meetings. Lastly, ensure the tool facilitates collaboration. Features like real-time chat, breakout rooms, and collaborative whiteboards can enhance teamwork and make virtual meetings more interactive and engaging.
Engagement is key to a successful virtual meeting. Start by fostering an open dialogue. Encourage participants to share their thoughts and ideas freely. This not only enriches the discussion but also makes attendees feel valued and heard. Incorporate interactive elements such as polls, Q&A sessions, and breakout discussions to keep participants engaged. These elements can break the monotony of long meetings and provide opportunities for active involvement. Always acknowledge contributions. Recognizing participants' input not only boosts morale but also encourages others to share their perspectives. Creating a safe and inclusive environment where everyone feels comfortable expressing their ideas is crucial. Set ground rules for respectful communication and encourage feedback. By doing so, you create a culture of openness and collaboration, leading to more productive and meaningful meetings. Time management is a critical component of effective meetings. Begin by setting time limits for each agenda item. This helps ensure that discussions remain focused and that all topics receive the attention they deserve. Prioritize agenda items based on importance and urgency. Address the most critical issues first, allowing sufficient time for thorough discussion. Keep discussions on track by gently steering conversations back to the agenda when they veer off course. Assign a timekeeper to monitor the time and provide gentle reminders as needed. This role helps maintain the meeting's pace and ensures that it concludes on time. Finally, be disciplined about ending the meeting at the scheduled time. Respecting participants' time demonstrates professionalism and encourages punctuality in future meetings. Remember, effective time management is key to maximizing productivity and maintaining participant engagement.
Visual aids are powerful tools for enhancing understanding and retaining attention during virtual meetings. Use visuals strategically to support and reinforce key points. Whether it's a graph, chart, or infographic, visuals can simplify complex ideas and make them more accessible. They are particularly beneficial for visual learners who may struggle with purely auditory information. Screen sharing is another valuable feature that can enhance virtual meetings. It allows participants to view documents, presentations, or other materials in real time, facilitating collaboration and discussion. When using visual aids, ensure they are clear, concise, and relevant to the discussion. Avoid overcrowding slides with too much information, as this can overwhelm viewers and detract from the main message. Remember, the goal is to complement the verbal presentation, not overshadow it. By utilizing visual aids and screen sharing effectively, you can create more engaging and impactful virtual meetings. Communication barriers can hinder the effectiveness of virtual meetings. Identifying and addressing these barriers is essential for fostering clear and effective communication. Common barriers include poor audio quality, technical issues, and cultural differences. Enhance audio quality by using high-quality microphones and ensuring a quiet environment. Encourage participants to mute their microphones when not speaking to minimize background noise. Clarifying misunderstandings is crucial. Encourage participants to ask questions and seek clarification if something is unclear. This helps prevent miscommunication and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Encourage feedback from participants to gauge their understanding and address any concerns. Use inclusive language that respects and acknowledges diverse perspectives. Being mindful of cultural differences and communication styles can help create a more inclusive and respectful meeting environment. By proactively addressing communication barriers, you can enhance understanding and collaboration among team members. The success of a meeting is often determined by what happens afterward. Implementing follow-up actions and accountability measures is crucial for translating meeting discussions into tangible outcomes. Begin by summarizing the key points discussed and decisions made during the meeting. This recap provides clarity and ensures everyone is on the same page. Assign action items to specific individuals, along with clear deadlines. This helps distribute responsibilities and ensures that tasks are completed in a timely manner. Monitor progress regularly to track the status of action items and address any challenges that arise. Regular check-ins can help keep the team accountable and motivated to achieve their goals. Finally, hold participants accountable for their commitments. Encourage open communication and provide support as needed to help team members meet their deadlines. By implementing follow-up actions and accountability measures, you can ensure that meetings lead to meaningful progress and results.
Continuous improvement is key to mastering virtual team meetings. Evaluating meeting effectiveness allows you to identify strengths and areas for improvement. Start by gathering feedback from participants. Use surveys, polls, or informal discussions to gauge their satisfaction with the meeting and gather suggestions for improvement. Assess the outcomes of the meeting. Did you achieve the objectives set at the beginning? Were discussions productive and focused? Identifying areas for improvement helps you make informed decisions about what changes to implement in future meetings. Implement changes based on the feedback and assessments. Whether it's adjusting the meeting format, improving time management, or enhancing participant engagement, continuous improvement is an ongoing process. By evaluating meeting effectiveness and making necessary adjustments, you can enhance the quality and productivity of future virtual meetings, leading to better collaboration and results. As we conclude our video on mastering virtual team meetings effectively, let's recap the key strategies we've covered. From setting clear agendas and choosing the right digital tools to engaging participants and managing time effectively, these strategies are essential for conducting productive virtual meetings. Remember, effective meetings are crucial for maintaining team collaboration and productivity in today's remote work environment. By continuously evaluating and improving your meeting practices, you can enhance team collaboration and achieve better outcomes. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful in mastering virtual team meetings effectively.